Hello there. My name is Amina, and I want to share my story with you. It's a tale of dreams, challenges, and a lot of determination. I hope my journey inspires you, especially if you are learning English or pursuing a dream of your own. I grew up in Nairobi, Kenya, where the sun always shines brightly. From a young age, I had a big dream. I wanted to become a software developer. I was inspired by amazing tech wizards in Africa who created apps to solve real problems. I wanted to be like them and make my family proud. But there was a big challenge. My English wasn't very good, and most of the resources for learning coding were in English. I needed to improve my English to achieve my dream. Fast forward to my school days. English lessons felt like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces, but I was determined to improve. One day, I discovered an online course called Learn with Fun. It taught English through games and stories, making learning enjoyable and exciting. I quickly signed up and started learning with animated stories and vocabulary games. It was like having fun while gaining knowledge, but I needed more practice in speaking. So I joined an online English conversation club. Imagine me, nervous but eager, chatting with people from all over the world. They were supportive and helped me build my confidence. I went from saying and to speaking full sentences. It felt like a big victory. My daily commute was another great opportunity to learn. I listened to English podcasts about technology while traveling in our local minibus, called a matatu. It was like having a personal English lesson on the go. My listening skills improved, and my pronunciation got better too. Then came a fantastic opportunity. I found out about a national competition for young tech innovators. The challenge was to create tech solutions for everyday problems. I decided to make an app to help local farmers track weather patterns and improve crop yields. I was nervous but excited. My online friends helped me practice my presentation. On the day of the competition, I stood in front of the judges with a racing heart. They looked serious, but I gave my best presentation. To my surprise, they were impressed. I won second place. The best part? A tech company offered me an internship. It felt like finding a treasure. The experience was incredible and life-changing. Now, I'm still learning English and working on tech projects. I started a local coding club to help others who have dreams like mine. I just want to say this to you all, that combining technology with language learning can open many doors. And the secret to success? Never giving up.
Tech wizards, highly skilled experts in technology. Commute, regular journey to work or school. Podcasts, on-demand audio shows on various topics. Interactive, allows active participation or engagement. Embracing, accepting something warmly. Integrating, combining different things effectively. Innovators, creative people who come up with new ideas or inventions. Yields, the amount or quantity of something produced or obtained.
Moral of the story: embracing innovative and interactive methods can make learning a new language enjoyable and effective. By integrating your passions with language learning, you can overcome challenges and achieve your goals. With dedication, support from others, and a willingness to explore new tools, you can unlock new opportunities and inspire those around you.
Now it's your turn to share. We're eager to hear all about your journey learning English. Tell us your story in the comments below. Whether you faced challenges or celebrated victories, we want to hear it all. And here's the exciting part. Your story could be featured in one of our upcoming videos. Or if you'd like, we can even create a special story inspired by your experience. So don't hesitate, share your adventures with us today.
Oh, and before you go, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to English Ears for more inspiring stories, practical tips, fantasy adventures, and motivation to help you on your English learning journey. Make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.